Hi guys, today I will show a full guide on how to deploy a Vite React app on Netlify easily in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. Step 1. Build the project. Open your project in your code editor. Then, head to the terminal and type npm run build. This command creates a dist folder in your project's root directory. That folder holds the minified production-ready version of your site. Step 2. Deploy on Netlify. Next, log into your Netlify account. In the team overview, click Add New Site and choose Deploy manually. Then, simply drag and drop the dist folder when prompted. Step 3. Rename your site. Once your site is deployed, Netlify gives it a random subdomain. Want something cleaner? Go to Site Configuration. Then under Site Details, click Change Site Name. Enter a name that fits your brand or project. Step 4. Access your site. After renaming, you'll find your new URL under the site overview. Click it, and your live project is online.